Welcome, YouTubers. We're going to do a DVD unboxing and review of Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood, Double Future, Daniel Goes Camping, and Tiger Family Trip. We'll unbox and do a review after this.
This program was made possible by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
Welcome to the unboxing and review. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood, Double Future. Includes Daniel Goes Camping and Tiger Family Trip. So let's unbox this thing. There we go. So, show the disc. And here is Daniel Goes Camping. Includes backyard camping, Daniel's sleepover, and nighttime in the neighborhood. Here's Tiger Family Trip. Includes Tiger Family Trip, visiting grandparent, the Tiger family goes back home, the neighborhood carnival, fireflies and fireworks, the lemonade stand, and Mad at the Beach. Runtime is 170 minutes. Okay, this shows you what the disc is. And there's Odd Squad in the movie. I like Odd Squad. Oh, I love Odd Squad, I mean. Here's the disc. I have to put it in my fridge later. Alright, here's the DVD menu. Here is Play All, Story Selection. Here's Backyard Camping, Daniel's Sleepover, Nighttime in the Neighborhood. And there's Tiger Family Trip, visiting grandparent, the Tiger family goes back home, the neighborhood carnival, fireflies and fireworks, the lemonade stand, and Mad at the Beach. This is going to be a menu. Setup. I don't want subtitles, but thank you. And pbs.org. Anyways, that's the DVD menu. That was an unboxing and review of this DVD. I'll do the next unboxing video. Okay, see you next time. Bye-bye.
This program was made possible by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.